Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Andy Sawaj and I am starting a presentation about the importance of farming. So, do you know what the farmers do? Do you know? What farmers do in the farm?
They grow plants.
Yes.
Crops.
Today I am going to talk about the importance of farming. How many types of crops are there in farm? Do you know?
No.
Okay, I will tell you. So there is more importance of farming because the farming is the process where the farmer grow the crop and every day he do hard work. They do hard work in the farm on the collecti do heavy sunlight on the heavy sunlight
In
and
difficult weathers.
and they do their works in difficult weathers,
Rainy weather.
rainy, summer, winters, and in all season they do their work because they want to earn profit from the vegetables and crops. So I would like to share some points about importance of farming. So first I want to talk about way of farming. There are many ways of farming, such as with the weeds, with the seeds, and by growing line by line the any one vegetable, and growing rice and wheat and many things are grown in the farm. And the farmer grows these things, and we can also grow these things in our garden areas. And how to farm. Next I want to talk about how to farm. How to farming. We can farm with the help of fertilizer. Fertilizer is a man-made inorganic salt which is prepared on factories, and it is used for the growing crops, and the manure is also used for growing crops because it is natural, made by the cattle dung and by decomposition of cattle dung, and they are prepared in the farms and the open areas, and the people prepare these things in the at their relations. And next, how many tools required? There are many tools are required there because, but I want to tell three tools because there are many tools. So first I want to share with you that the tractor have a cultivator that cultivates the crop and goes step by step on the in the farm, and they cultivate all types of the crop. And you have seen that the in your village areas there are many tractors and cultivators are fitted in it. And next I want to talk about and tractor and hoe. So I want to show a diagram of hoe. So this is like this. Hoe is used for weeds and fitting the seeds and by growing the crops, and they are fitted in the cows. By rope, and this is used for this is the farm, and it will cultivate like a tractor, but tractor is more important for example of technology because technology helps more and they don't waste our time, and it takes more time to cultivate the crop, And next,
The ancient technology, no? When there were no tractor.
this is the ancient technology where there was no tractor and any facility of technology, so that the people uses this process to grow crops. So next, I want to share with you that job creation. The job is created by them, that farmer grow the crop and he sells by food chain. There is food chain of that. The farmers sell their vegetables to the their क्या कहते हैं shopkeepers, and the shopkeepers supply it to the people market, and shopkeepers supply it to the market, and in the market the people sells vegetables in their rate, and the people takes it, and there is more importance of farming by it, job creation, and the vegetable sellers are also on profit by selling it in double price, and then the vegetable seller have knowledge about the vegetables, how it vegetables are grown, and they are also know that this vegetable is good for our health, and the vegetable is also good for our health. Do you know why vegetables are important? Give me one example.
Because we eat vegetables, so without we not eat vegetables, so we will hunger because
That the children who don't have many heights, they can eat vegetables, and they can earn the height, and their height will become more longer from vegetables, because it is beneficial for our health, and it is important for living beings, for all living beings, because the cows are also eat the vegetables, that we can store vegetables in our home, and the cow can eat the remaining vegetables that are in our fridge, and the horse and the sheep and the cows are also takes the vegetables, and the more they can eat it, and so I want to share that this is my opinion, and I want to conclude it importance of farming. So there is more importance of farming, and we should not waste the food every day, and we should not waste our food in our home, and we should eat the food that we should required. So this is my opinion. Thank you for listening. Take care.